Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Meta AI to WhatsApp. Before we get started, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. To do this, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for WhatsApp and hit the update button if it's available. Once updated, launch your WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Tap on the settings icon at the bottom right, and in the settings menu, find and tap on the chats option. In the chats menu, look for an option called Chat AI or Meta AI and tap on it. If you are in a country where Meta AI is available, it should be there. Unfortunately, it is not available in my country yet. If you see it, toggle the switch to enable Meta AI. You might need to follow some on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now that Meta AI is enabled, let's see how you can use it in your conversations. Go back to your chat list and open any conversation. To use Meta AI, you can type a specific command or keyword. For example, type @meta followed by your query like @meta, set a reminder for 6 p.m. Meta AI will respond to your commands and assist you accordingly. And that's it! You've successfully added Meta AI to your WhatsApp. Play around with the different features and see how it can make your chatting experience more fun and productive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!